There is a silent revolution happening in the open skies right now, and it completely throws out every rulebook the drone industry has spent the last decade creating. For years, getting professional, high-quality aerial footage meant accepting a long list of stressful frustrations. You had to carry around a heavy backpack full of expensive gear, pull out a massive remote controller, calibrate complex GPS systems, and worry about strict federal registration laws before your drone could even lift an inch off the ground. If you were a content creator trying to capture a quick vlog or an outdoor adventure, the sheer friction of setting up a drone meant you usually gave up and kept the camera in your pocket. But the tech giant in Shenzhen looked at this entire problem and decided to build something that feels less like a camera drone and more like a hyper-intelligent, invisible personal cameraman that floats in the air. The DJI Neo 3. This isn't just an incremental update to a budget lineup. It is a highly aggressive, deeply calculated leap into the future of autonomous, pocket-sized AI flight that completely redefines the relationship between a creator and the sky. To truly understand why the DJI Neo 3 is causing such an immense stir across the United States tech and creator markets, you have to look at the massive breakthrough of its identity. Historically, tiny rocket drones were seen as cheap novelty toys. They had terrible image stabilization, grainy video quality, and would completely fly out of control the moment a light breeze hit them. When DJI introduced the original Neo concept, they proved that a microdrone could actually capture stable video. But with the Neo 3, the engineering team has pushed the hardware straight into flagship territory, successfully stripping away every remaining limitation of the ultra-lightweight form factor. It all begins with the astonishing magic trick of the physical launch experience. The Neo 3 completely eliminates the absolute necessity of a remote controller, a smartphone app, or any physical joysticks. Imagine walking down a busy city street, hiking up a mountain trail, or riding a bicycle, and deciding you want a dramatic aerial shot of yourself. You don't stop. You don't unpack a bag. You simply take the Neo 3 out of your jacket pocket, rest it flat on the palm of your open hand, and look at the tiny integrated display on the chassis. With a quick tap of a single button, or by simply speaking a quick voice command, the drone wakes up. The enclosed propellers spin into a quiet hum, and it gracefully lifts directly off your palm, hovering perfectly locked in place, waiting for your next move. The secret driving this impossibly smooth autonomous behavior is a deeply advanced, localized artificial intelligence tracking engine. The Neo 3 does not just passively follow a colorful shape on the ground. Its internal neural network has been trained to instantly recognize the human form, lock onto your face, and predict your exact movements with fluid, split-second accuracy. Whether you accelerate into a fast sprint, swerve sharply on a skateboard, or navigate through a dense, crowded park, the drone adjusts its flight path instantly. It behaves like an invisible thread is tied directly from the lens to your body, maintaining the exact framing you selected without ever drifting or losing its lock.